How can we crop to selection in Pixelmator Pro? First, we need a selection tool, so I'm going to grab this rectangular selection. Then, draw your selection. And with the active selection, now when you switch to the crop tool, here on the right on the tool list, when you click the crop tool, it will be cropped exactly to that selection. You can still make changes to it, but if you are happy with that, just click apply, and then you just cropped your image to the selection. You may want to export this as the brand new image with the new proportions, with just this selection cropped. Just head to File, Export, and save it as the brand new image. Don't forget to select the correct format, like JPEG or PNG for images. That would be just perfect. Alright, let's undo and explore another possibility. What if you got the lasso selection like that? That's not a square selection. With selection like this, when I select crop tool, again, it will auto crop to that selection, but keep in mind, it will keep it as rectangle, as the image need to be a rectangle. What if you want to have like those transparent areas, so you don't need this stuff outside your selection? We can do it as well. So before we move to the crop tool, you will need to make a mask. So I click select and mask here with the selection tool still selected. Selection tool selected, huh? Okay, now we got the preview. I click output and I want to have a new layer with the mask. That's the safest output we can get. Apply. Okay. Now I just need to hold Command and click on my mask to reselect. With all of that, we can go to the crop tool. They will give us auto cropping to the selection by default, like always, but this time we got those areas that we mask out, so they will be transparent if we select a PNG format. So don't forget to change to PNG so we can have transparent areas in it. And here it is, a PNG with transparency around, outside the selection, you can say. Alright, so that's how you do it. Simply put your selection on, and then after that switch to the crop tool. It will be automatically cropped to that existing selection. I hope this was helpful. See you in the next one.